So hey guys, it is our Leetcode chat. Now we're going to discuss it. You can see it just answering so many companies. Okay. So the question is to sum. So what just given it? Given an array for integers, nums. The name of the array is given, that is nums, and an integer, that is target. Either indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. Okay. So what I need to do is I have to create it the sum of two indices that is equal to our target. Okay. And you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. It does the important line that's the catch up. Okay. So that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not have to use the same element twice. Okay. This is our base condition. So you can return the answer in any order. Okay. Simply you can see it. It's our array of nums that is 2, 7, 11, 15, and our target in the value is 9. So simply I have here what is written is 0, 1, that is the sum of the elements at indices 0 and 1 is 9. Okay. Simply I have written the indices 0 and 1. So simply here in example 2, you can see it the 3, 22, 4. The target value is 6. What I need to do is I need to create the I need to find the sum of the two indices that is equal to our target value, that is 1 and 2, that is 2 and 4. That is the indices values are 1 and 2 and the elements are 2 and 4. So simply for convenience, I just uh, take you to simply understand it. Therefore, just it is our nums, it is our array. So what I need to do is simply you can easily understand it. For iterating, I need a for loop. That is our basic need. Okay. So for loop, okay, one for loop is okay for iterating. I think another for loop is needed. So how can we think of? Because I need to find the sum of the two elements now. Okay. That's why I need to iterate another time. Okay. So for that reason, I need two for loops. Okay. So the elements are 2, 7, and 11 and 15. These are our these are elements. Okay. So if I create a for loop, एक for loop आएगा यहाँ पे, तो हमें एक for loop तो बन गया जो स्टार्टिंग से ट्रेक करेगा नेक्स्ट मतलब लास्ट एलिमेंट से पहला दैट इज द सेकंड लास्ट इंडाइस. Another for loop will iterate from second to last. Why I have created that I have started from second element and I have started the first the first index and the first for loop will go then second last. What is the reason can be it? Okay. The spatial quality that I've already mentioned you, there is a base case that element should not repeat in the array. For that reason, I created a for loop of first till n minus 1, that is till second last element. If I will iterate till last element, so if it is possible that it can use or element twice in the array. That is a base condition. For that reason, I have iterated the first loop till n minus 1. Another loop till I plus 1 till last element. I plus 1 I have created why? Same reason behind it. Because if I started from the first element, it may possible that it just contain the duplicate elements in the array that will create the sum of a target value. That's why I have created the for loop. I've created the for loop for a designation to reach our sum equal to target value, that is a 9. So simply what I need to do is just create an array such the for in I equal to 0 till I less than nums not nan minus 1 I plus in another for in j equal to I plus 1, because I have already mentioned you that in the array of indices we will form does not contain an element which repeat itself. Okay. That's why j less than nums dot plan comma j plus plus. Okay. I have iterated the array. Now what I need to find it, I need to check the condition if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target value. If I got a condition that the nums of I, that is our first element and our second element, is the sum of these elements is equal to our targets, then what I need to create it, first is simply I need to create an array for storing these elements now. Simply what I will do is I will create an array. In array is equals to new 8 यहाँ पे 2. Why I have written the 2? So this should question arise in your mind that why I have written 2 here. So simply you can see here that as quotient is 2 sum, and just already mentioned that I need to create an indices of only 2 elements, that a target value should be contain the sum only of 2 elements that is equal to our targets, and it will come definitely. Okay. So here you can also see it only 1 and 2. There are 2 indexes are present, and simply here 0 and 1. There are 2 indexes are present. Okay. So what I need to simply do is just simply written array of 0. That is why I have written the array of 0. You have already listened मतलब सुना ही होगा आप लोगों ने कि the indices of the array start from the 0. Okay. That's why I have created array of 0 equal to I and array of 1 equal to Z. Okay. Then simply I am just to go out of the loop and I need to create the array. Okay. So simply you can assume or if doubt should come in your mind that why I have created I and J here. Why I didn't have written nums of I or nums of J. So simply just remember these things, that whenever I need to print that element, I just need to write the nums of I or nums of G. Whereas you can see here, I have printed down. What is the output here? It is printing indices of the element. That's why I have created I or J rather than nums of I or J. Okay. Now simply just run it to check a condition whether देखो you have it just accepted. So it is a Java solution, and let's just submit it to check whether it is working or not simply. So it just accepted. So simply for your convenience, I'm again telling you. So now simply I have created an array of size 2. I have created size 2 because I need to find only the 2 elements which have the sum equal to a target. For that simplicity, I have created for loop. First, we will iterate from first element, then second last element, and another for loop, then second element. That first element I have taken in I, that J loop will contain the second element. Start from second element, then length. Then because I need to simplify that it does not contain an repeating element. Okay, and that's why I have created the designation value of I and j is change. Okay, that is for I it is nums dot length minus first, and for j nums dot length. Okay, simply then I have checked the condition, that is nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target. If it contains the value equal to a target, then simply I have to print out that array of 0 equal to I, that is array indices, and simply done the array. I hope आप लोग को समझ आएगा. Thank you.